Send it, Cal. I don't know what jump he's gonna hit. Oh my God, you cleared that. That is the point.
People get diseases from because they
I was hella sick.
Liam, get out of the way!
Oh, sick.
Landed! I'm gonna hit this one. I eat food.
What'd you say, Liam?
What you say?
Send it, Cal. Oh my God. Sick!
Did the pin come out?
I think he's sending it too hard.
Not the big
How
one
can there
so
be too
much.
hard of a send, Duncan?
Now before anybody else gets burned.
What the hell? Cal, you are so good at this today. Oh! You almost killed me, Cal. Uh-oh.
Get out of the way, Jacob!
Oh! That's yours, Dad. I like how Cal is almost...
I what?
Cal, possible murderer. Maybe. Attempted murder on
Are we
Duncan.
gonna have some plane content? Because I think there's a plane.
But guys, I'm gonna hit this one. I'm gonna hit this one.
Jesus, I got blasted with dirt.
That was sick. And it landed.
Get there and lift away.
Callum, interview.
Okay.
What
What are we interviewing on?
Duncan, you need to interview Callum on whatever.
Callum, how the hell are you so smelly? I haven't showered in 2 weeks.
Whoa! What the?
And that is it for today. And finally with and finally.
Cal, what are you going to interview Duncan on?
Okay.
Give me the controller.
Why are you so stupid? You have ADHD. That was and finally on and finally.
Yeah. Who are you going to interview?
It doesn't make
William?
me stupid.
Interview Dickie Holla, the YouTuber.
This is William Hunt coming
Hello,
to
my
you
name's
live
Jeff.
from the Oasis here in Goleta. I'm
No
here with
one cares.
I'm here with Dickie Hola, famed YouTuber. Dickie Hola, what's it like making a video with a bunch of nincompoops?
They're annoying. Very annoying.
Very annoying. Oh, and now it's Liam's turn to drive the car. I'm sure he can be annoying too, just like his great friends.
Shut up.
Oh, that was sick.
Epic.
You interviewed people, William?
I did. I had a sports radio show.
How did that
the cat.
go?
Huh?
Yeah, you have that Lakers podcast, right?
Well,
Yeah, it
we
was
haven't
called
done it yet. But mine was a sports radio show for UCLA sports and the Dodgers.
Who
And I
won?
went to the games and then I interviewed the people after the game.
You got to interview the pros at Dodgers?
I did.
Oh my God.
Hey, who's the most famous person you interviewed?
The most famous person that I have interviewed is
John Cena.
Eric Karros
Who? Who's that?
and Mike Piazza.
I've heard of him.
Mike Piazza is a Hall of Fame baseball player, and Eric Karros is a
Didn't you meet Kobe?
famous Dodger, but I didn't interview him. I
you
just shook his
interviewed.
hand.
Yeah, so you're practically best friends.
Kobe and I are like this.
Yeah, makes sense.
He came up to visit me in Duncan one time.
Jacob, record
Well, we
this.
were.
This is serious content.
Current situation with Kobe.
Jacob,
I am recording, Cal, dude.
you hit that?
Oh!
Car
Clean up on aisle 3! Clean up on aisle 3!
Move out of the way.
I'm out the way, homie!
Wait, hold on. That's perfect. Oh! Oh!
Oh, sick. Sick.
Oh! Wow!
Don't
my
move,
God,
you
Jesus.
tooch.
How do you feel about that?
Shout out to the Get Money gang. Liam, let me see the sticker.
It's right here.
Get Money gang. God, that's the best
Why
spiking
that
game. Because they want to get money and they're in a gang.
Didn't seem like a game, homie.
A gang of friends, Duncan.
Hashtag the YouTube. Epic
Is
game.
a fly sucking my blood?
And he landed it. That was
Sick.
Why aren't you letting
How do you feel about that?
Oh, that's sick. Oh, that was nice. Ambulance, get the ambulance, get the ambulance.
Mine was still better.
Oh no, it looks like he may have broken his neck. Oh shit. Is he gonna be okay, Doc? No.
He's not okay.
What happened, Doc?
He's not okay.
What's up, Doc?
He broke his arms.
Wait, Cal, stop.
He looks like he broke his arms. Hello, my name's Jeff.
What are you doing?
My name's Jeff.
Jacob,
What?
you're standing on the jump.
Oh, my bad. I was interviewing Liam. That was sick. Hey, move it, Liam. No, jump, Liam. Liam, lay down.
I'm trusting you for Tron.
That was hella sick. Callum trusted him and it worked out.
Tap it over the tire. No, I'm gonna tap the tire.
Okay, yeah, he's gonna tap. No, you were so. That landed so cleanly, though. Try tapping the tire again, Dunk. You gotta send it a bit less next time.
And I am stinging.
Woo! Callum, that was an inch away from hitting your head. Let's see it, Biggie Cheese. Let's see it. Send it. What a clear. What an eclair. What a clear.
Don't stand in front of it.
Move.
Let me mark Liam Hola.
Whoever goes the farthest on this jump is awesome.
Here. I was right.
Send it. Just whatever. Send it. Watch out, guys. Oh, guard!
Jakey, it's your go.
Yo, nose reveal.
Can I be cameraman?
Yeah.
I want to try camera.
I'm gonna show you how it's done, Dunk.
Pretty good, pretty good. Done, done. No, don't hit me. Don't hit me. Sick! Sick!
Who was driving that?
Sick!
Still on record. What was that, G? I don't know.
Who was driving that one? That was awesome.
Am I?
Take off your helmet. Why would you say zoom in?
I got a new cut.
Super heat.
She looks like a G.